Hi guys, welcome to Khong Driving. We are at the launch of the unveiling of the all-new Mazda CX-30, and here are the two beautiful girls who are to help the car look better. Say hi girls. And say welcome to Khong Driving.
Welcome to Khong Driving.
Alright, thank you girls. Okay guys, that is it. The CX-30 in the flesh. Hi everybody, welcome to Khong Driving, and we're at the official launch of the all-new Mazda CX-30. Yes, today, 15th of January 2020, today is the official launch date of the CX-30, and there are three variants. They have, all of them are 2 liters. They have the 2.0G and the 2.0G high and 1.8D high. Okay, that means the 1.8D is the diesel variant, and that comes with all-wheel drive, I think, if I'm not mistaken. The price for the base model, which is the 2.0G, is 143,059, and for the 2.0G high spec model, it is 164,059. Don't ask me about the 059. Okay, and then for the diesel version, which is the 1.8D high spec, the price is $172,943.60. Okay, so that's about it for the Mazda CX-30. The specs are as per our earlier walk around, which we did a couple of weeks ago, so you can watch that spec. But today we're going to go for a drive later on in the day, and we will update you on what the driving feel is like. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, and bye bye.